In this video, I will show you how to fix why you can't see who view your TikTok profile. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. So as you can see now, here is my account now. If I tap on this section, as you can see now, this I section, as you can see now at the top it says profile views. So as you can see now, here are the people that views my profile on this section. As you can see now, here are the people that views my profile on TikTok. Now I can be able to see them. But if you can't see your own, all you have to do now I will show you the solution. Now go back and tap on this menu at the top right side, this menu. After you tap on this menu, now tap on this settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this privacy at the top. Under this privacy, scroll all the way to down and make sure to tap on this where it says profile views, this one, second to the last option. Under this profile views, make sure you turn on this option. As you can see now, make sure this option is turned on. After you turn on this option, now go back. So now you can be able now to see your, as you can see now, profile views in this session. But after you turn on this option, still you can't be able to see the profile views on your TikTok account. All you have to do now, go to your Play Store or App Store and update your TikTok app. After you go to Play Store or App Store, and if you search TikTok, it will give you an option to update TikTok app. After you update your TikTok app, now you can be able to see your profile views on your TikTok account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.